Welcome to Linux Help channel. In this video, we are going to see about Wonder CMS. First, we view a short intro about Wonder CMS. Wonder CMS is a free and open source content management system. It is one of the smallest flat file CMS for building website. You can add and change content by using the in-page editing function. In this tutorial, we will see the installation of Wonder CMS on Linuxmint 19. The requirements for Wonder CMS: Apache, PHP, and its modules. First, I'm going to check my Linuxmint version. My Linuxmint version is 19. Now I'm moving into installation procedure. For that, first I'm going to download the Wonder CMS installation package using w8 command. Once the download is completed, extract the downloaded package using unzip command. Once the extraction is completed, move the Wonder CMS directory to Apache root directory. Now set the ownership and permission for the Wonder CMS. Now set the permission. Now configure the virtual host for accessing the Wonder CMS. Now save and good. Now disable the default site access. Now enable the site access for Wonder CMS. Now enable the read module. Once all the step is completed, restart the Apache service. Now switch to your browser and enter your domain name. This is the welcome page of Wonder CMS. Now copy the password and go to the site. Enter your password and click login. This is the dashboard of Wonder CMS. This is the method how to install Wonder CMS on Linuxmint 19. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to Linux Help channel. For more details, visit www.linuxhelp.com. For more queries, mail to support@linuxhelp.com.